Earlier this week, I had my exams, and while I was studying for my exams, I took little bit breaks during which I was solving Rubik's Cube. So, while I was solving the same question strike every time, how does Rubik's Cube help in mathematics? So, earlier today, not today, earlier yesterday, I was just going through a lot of articles online and I've shortlisted 6 points that I think are valid. Not only that how Rubik's Cube helps in mathematics but also in other day-to-day tasks. So yeah, let me just read out the 6 points and explain it to you. So first one is solving Rubik's Cube helps you in improving your memory. If you are a speed cuber or you are just a cuber, in many of my tutorials, not only mine, in others also you must have heard a word of muscle memory. Like without even thinking about what the alg is, you just execute it because you have done it a lot of times and it's a practice that you're given to your fingers and muscles. So that's what you call as muscle memory. Similar thing happens when you do a particular problem like 100 times, 20 times or 50 times, and when you see that question in a question paper without even thinking, you just write it. So I found this reason as a valid point. Second, this is really good one. Cube solving improves patience. When we are beginners, so most of us must have, as a beginner, we must have just let the cube away. We must have just put the cube away from us when we are learning it because it was like really difficult to learn it. There are a lot of algorithms that we think were difficult, but after learning it's so simple. So it increases patience, and similar way it also helps in problem solving stuffs and helps you to be patient and thinking what the solution can be, etc. So solving Rubik's Cube will also help you in mapping out your steps. That is, like for solving Rubik's Cube, you first see the scramble, you analyze it, then you decode the pattern, and then you think how should I execute it, and then you execute it. Similar way we do it in maths. Like we analyze what the question is about, and then we decode that question, and then we apply the formulas, and then we solve the problem, right? So yeah, this one also is a good one. Solving Rubik's Cube will keep your mind active and focused, because in digital world now, we don't concentrate in one task without even looking into a mobile, like a lot of us, even me including. So it's really difficult, but while solving Rubik's Cube, you just focus on that. You also increase your accuracy. So increasing in accuracy will help you in spotting a lot of things. If that's a passage and if you're looking for a particular word, I can guarantee that a speed cuber will find it much faster than a normal person. So yeah, these were some of the points that I felt are quite relative, not only to mathematics but in general as studies. And one more point that is actually related to the patience, that is, it lowers the stress level. You solving Rubik's Cube, most of us solve Rubik's Cube when we are stressed out or when we are just want to time pass. So it lowers the stress level, which in turn helps in more productivity. So that's a biological term and biological thing, that is there's a thing in brain that secretes dopamine. That same thing is responsible for focus, concentration and memory. And this dopamine is secreted even when we solve puzzles, general puzzles, not Rubik's Cube, others also. So I think even that is a valid point, but most of you won't know what dopamine actually is. So that's why I just said it's a thing that is secreted in the brain. So these are the 6 things that I felt are quite good, that helps, that gave me the answer how Rubik's Cube helps in my thinking and also generally in others also. So if you like this video, do like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to use discount code JFFCuber at cubeleader.com to get 50 rupees off. Bye guys, see you in my next video.